Hey, this is my review of the excavator set that I just got in the mail at Amazon.com. It's a very nice model. Like, you just push that up. Comes undone. This is really cool because it looks so real. Like, I just got this. It's so cool. Shipped in the mail pretty fast. Has a design on the bottom, and then this is the trailer. It goes like that, and I have my little cones. And this is pretty much the excavator. Good thing about the excavator is it turns, rotates, and this turns. Like that. So it's really cool. And this goes up like that. I would totally recommend this model to some of you that want trailers. Okay.